Local news for Tuesday the 25th of June. Wellington lifestyle property purchases continue to provide strength in the Wairarapa. The median price for lifestyle property sold nationwide in the 3 months to May was $690,000. Continued strikes by support workers employed by Idea Services are causing distress for clients that they rely on for services for daily care. The Disabled Persons Assembly says this was the 7th strike since their dispute began 8 months ago over pay. Pete's Joinery in Greytown have won a New Zealand Master Joinery Awards. They picked up the Best Wellington Region Award and the New Zealand Joiners Award at a ceremony in Invercargill last weekend. And in sport, a good weekend for the Dalefield Hockey Club, the men beating 3-1 and the women 4-3 over Harbour City. And in football, Wairarapa United women had a 2-1 victory, while the men went down 6-1 to Waterside Karori.